Wahiawa Mall.
Such a fancy
Okay.
name. Okay.
Hi. Okay. Anywhere. I'm gonna pick up this too. Over there, okay?
No, we don't want to take up a big table.
Huh?
You don't need to take up a big table.
Leave it for somebody else.
There's the menu.
I'm gonna get vegetable Saimin and a hamburger. Large. I'll get a large.
I know, I want a small.
Small. Yeah.
Small one, yeah.
And I want a large vegetable Saimin and then a hamburger.
Yeah, deluxe.
Yeah, deluxe.
And water's okay?
I want a water, but I want a Coke also.
Yeah, small, medium, or large.
I'll go with a medium.
Medium, okay. Hot mustard on the side.
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye. You too. Oh, that was so good.
Let the ocean
That
flow
was so good.
under the golden sun where the palm
Oh,
trees
wait.
grow.
My
PhotoLuke's
soda.
got the magic, bringing the scene Hawaii vibe. Living the dream, you know what I mean. Snap a shot, feel the breeze in your hair.
After you went to the trouble. Sorry.
So real from the shores of Wahiawa.